Your Lexus suspension could easily outlast most cars on the road. So why do some owners end up replacing expensive suspension parts years earlier than they should? Let's break down the 6 biggest suspension killers and the simple habits that can keep your Lexus riding like it just left the showroom. A Lexus suspension almost feels magical. It quietly smooths out rough roads so well that most owners never stop to think about what's happening underneath. But here's something most owners don't realize. Those expensive struts, bushings, and control arms usually don't fail because Lexus built them poorly. They wear out due to small driving habits that slowly shorten their lifespan. Treat it with care, and many suspension components can last an exceptionally long time while keeping the car smooth and comfortable well beyond the mileage where many other vehicles start feeling worn out. One Lexus ES owner shared that their 2017 model was still riding on its original suspension at 159,000 miles and continued to drive great, with most of those miles spent on the highway. Lexus has always engineered its cars with comfort first. Whether it's an LS floating down the highway, an ES soaking up city roads, or an RX cruising through daily traffic, the suspension is designed to absorb bumps instead of sending harsh impacts through the chassis. That means less stress on springs, dampers, and joints every single day. Add in high-quality bushings, stronger control arms, excellent corrosion protection, and incredibly tight factory quality control, and it's easy to see why Lexus suspensions have a reputation for lasting far longer than most. So if they're built this well, why do so many owners still end up replacing suspension parts much earlier than expected? Because durable is not the same as indestructible. Even the toughest suspension has its limits. Repeated pothole impacts, carrying more weight than the car was designed for, ignoring worn tires, or putting off small repairs all create extra stress that slowly spreads from one component to another. What starts as a tiny issue can quietly turn into an expensive repair bill before the driver even notices a change in ride quality. You see, the biggest suspension killer isn't an expensive modification or a manufacturing defect. It's something almost every driver hits without thinking: potholes. A deep pothole at speed sends a massive shock through the wheel before the suspension even has time to react. That single impact can stress the struts, springs, bushings, ball joints, wheel bearings, and even the steering components. One RX owner was surprised when a routine inspection suggested suspension work at just 33,000 miles. Other experienced owners pointed out that what looked alarming was actually normal wear, and that replacing parts too early wasn't necessary. Sharp-edged potholes are especially brutal because they transfer far more force than rounded ones. And here's the surprising part. It isn't just the pothole that causes damage. Speed is what turns a small bump into a costly repair. The fix is surprisingly simple. Slow down before the bump, not while you're on top of it. Heavy braking right before impact compresses the suspension, making it easier to bottom out. If it's safe, steer around road hazards. If you can't, hit them as straight as possible instead of clipping them at an angle. And after a particularly hard hit, take a minute to check for tire bulges, cracked rims, unusual steering feel, or new suspension noises. Catching a problem early is always cheaper than replacing multiple worn parts later. But even if the roads are perfectly smooth, another silent suspension killer is hiding in plain sight: wrong tire pressure. Think of the tires as the suspension's first layer of protection. Overinflate them, and they become too stiff, passing every little impact straight to the shocks and struts. Underinflate them, and the tire flexes too much, putting extra strain on wheel bearings, bushings, and steering components, while also wearing the tires unevenly. The solution couldn't be easier. Check the tire pressures once a month, always when the tires are cold, and stick to the recommended values on the driver's door sticker. It's a habit that takes just a few minutes, but can add years to your Lexus suspension. Not every suspension problem begins with a loud bang or a nasty pothole. Sometimes, the damage happens so gradually that most drivers don't notice it until it's too late. That's exactly what happens when wheel alignment is ignored. Most people think alignment is only about keeping the steering wheel straight or preventing uneven tire wear, but in reality, it's much more than that. When the toe, camber, or caster is out of specification, the suspension is constantly fighting against itself. Every mile the car travels puts extra stress on bushings, ball joints, bearings, and steering components. It may not seem like much in the moment, but over time, that constant strain adds up to expensive repairs. The warning signs are usually there long before anything fails. The steering wheel might sit slightly off-center, the car may drift to one side, or you could notice vibrations at certain speeds. Uneven tire wear, especially along the inner or outer edges, is another clear giveaway. Ignoring these symptoms doesn't just wear out the tires, it creates a chain reaction that slowly shortens the life of the entire suspension. The good news is that preventing all of this is surprisingly easy. Have the alignment checked at least once a year, even if the car feels perfectly fine. It's also a smart idea after hitting a major pothole, bumping a curb, replacing suspension parts, or even fitting a new set of tires or wheels. Keeping the alignment within factory specifications allows every suspension component to move exactly as Lexus intended, instead of constantly compensating for incorrect geometry. A properly aligned Lexus doesn't just drive straighter, it lets the suspension do its job with the least amount of stress. And that's one of the easiest ways to keep it feeling factory fresh for years. Here's the mistake that quietly destroys more Lexus suspensions than most potholes ever will. And it usually starts with a noise that people choose to ignore, delaying small repairs. A tiny clunk, squeak, or rattle rarely stays a tiny problem because a suspension isn't made up of independent parts. Every component works together. When one bushing wears out, it creates extra movement that puts additional stress on the ball joints, tie rods, control arms, and even the struts. What could have been a simple repair slowly snowballs into replacing multiple expensive parts. The noises themselves often tell the story. A clunk over bumps usually points to worn bushings, sway bar links, or strut mounts. Squeaks while turning can mean aging rubber bushings, while rattles and thumping after bumps often hint at loose components or worn shocks. The biggest mistake is assuming they'll disappear on their own. They almost never do. So what's the smartest way to stop a small problem from becoming a full suspension rebuild? If you're finding these suspension killers helpful, take a second to subscribe. This channel is all about helping Lexus owners avoid expensive repairs and keep their cars running the way they were built to. Treat every new suspension noise like an early warning system. Pay attention to when it happens and mention those details during servicing. If one shock or strut needs replacing, replace the pair on the same axle to keep the damping balanced. And while the suspension is apart, ask the technician to inspect nearby bushings, mounts, tie rods, and control arms. Catching worn components early is far cheaper than waiting for them to damage everything around them. For high-mileage Lexus models that regularly tackle rough roads, replacing aging rubber bushings before they completely fail can also make a huge difference. Rubber naturally hardens and loses its flexibility over time, even if it doesn't look broken. A Lexus suspension is designed to age gracefully, but only if small problems are dealt with before they trigger a chain reaction. And the next suspension killer isn't caused by rough roads or worn parts. It's something many owners do every single day without realizing the damage they're causing. Most people think suspension wear only comes from rough roads, but sometimes the real damage comes from carrying too much weight. Overloading your Lexus puts the entire suspension under constant stress, even before the wheels start moving. Every Lexus is engineered with specific payload, roof load, and towing limits. Go beyond those limits, and the springs, bushings, struts, and suspension mounts stay compressed for longer than they were ever designed to. Over time, that constant pressure causes springs to sag, bushings to wear faster, and the ride quality to slowly disappear. The extra weight doesn't just strain the suspension, it changes how the entire vehicle behaves. A heavily loaded rear end alters the suspension geometry, increasing tire wear and forcing components to work at angles they weren't designed for. On SUVs like the RX, GX, and LX, this is even more noticeable. They're incredibly comfortable long-distance cruisers, but unless they're properly equipped for towing, treating them like heavy-duty workhorses will shorten the life of the suspension. The good news? Preventing this kind of wear doesn't require any special tools. Simply stay within the payload and towing limits listed in the owner's manual. Avoid loading the roof unless it's absolutely necessary, since extra weight up high increases body roll and puts more strain on the suspension during every corner. If you tow regularly, use the proper factory towing package or OEM spec components designed to handle the additional load. And if your Lexus starts sitting lower than normal, even when it's empty, don't ignore it. That could be an early sign of worn springs or failing air suspension components. Luxury suspensions are built to deliver comfort for years, but only when they're asked to do the job they were designed for. And while overloading is one of the biggest suspension killers, there's still one more that catches many owners completely off guard, especially if they rarely look underneath their car. You could avoid every pothole, keep the tire pressure perfect, and still shorten your Lexus suspension's life. The reason is hiding somewhere most owners never look: the undercarriage. Dirt, mud, moisture, and especially salt slowly build up underneath the car, trapping water against suspension components. Over time, that leads to rusted control arms, seized bolts, worn sway bar links, and cracked rubber bushings. In coastal areas and humid climates, corrosion works even faster. It doesn't happen overnight, but once structural rust takes hold, replacing parts is often the only safe solution. Fortunately, prevention is simple. Give the underbody a proper wash every once in a while, especially after driving through muddy roads, visiting the beach, or in regions where roads are salted. During servicing, have the undercarriage inspected for surface rust and deal with it early before it spreads. A clean underbody doesn't just make the suspension last longer, it also makes future repairs much easier because bolts and mounting points won't be rusted solid. So after avoiding all 6 suspension killers, what's left to do? Build a few simple maintenance habits. Check your tire pressure once a month using the values on the driver's door sticker. Rotate the tires at the recommended intervals to keep wear even. Inspect the shocks and struts every year for leaks or damage, and never ignore new clunks, squeaks, or rattles. Take a quick look at the rubber bushings during routine servicing. Replace suspension parts in pairs whenever possible, and balance the wheels whenever new tires are fitted or vibrations appear. None of these habits are expensive or time-consuming, but together they dramatically reduce the stress placed on your Lexus suspension. Luxury isn't just about how a car feels when it's new. It's about keeping that same smooth, composed ride for years. Treat the suspension with the same care Lexus engineers put into designing it, and it'll reward you with the kind of comfort that made you fall in love with the car in the first place. You see, avoiding suspension damage isn't just about what you shouldn't do. It's also about making a few smart choices every time your Lexus needs attention. Whenever suspension parts need replacing, avoid the cheapest aftermarket options. They often use lower quality materials and looser manufacturing tolerances, which can affect both durability and ride quality. One owner who refreshed an older Lexus found that experienced enthusiasts recommended fixing only the parts that had actually failed, while using quality OEM or trusted replacement parts for the best long-term results. OEM, or high-quality replacements, are designed to match the way Lexus engineered the suspension, so the car continues to feel exactly as it should. Keep the underbody clean, have the alignment checked every year, avoid bumping curbs while parking, and if your Lexus has adaptive or air suspension, service those systems on schedule before small leaks become expensive failures. Even keeping a simple maintenance log can help technicians spot wear patterns before they turn into major repairs. But if there's one habit that ties everything together, it's not found in the service manual. Drive it like a chauffeur. Lexus engineers design these cars to deliver smooth, effortless comfort, and your driving style can either preserve that experience or slowly wear it away. Accelerate progressively instead of launching hard, brake early instead of waiting until the last second, and take corners with smooth, predictable steering inputs. Most importantly, look further down the road so you can avoid potholes instead of reacting to them at the last moment. The suspension isn't being driven gently, it's being driven the way it was designed to work. Here's the reality. A Lexus suspension doesn't stay smooth for 200,000 miles because it's indestructible. It stays comfortable because intelligent engineering is matched by intelligent ownership. Simple habits like maintaining the correct tire pressure, fixing small issues early, staying within load limits, washing the underbody, using quality replacement parts, and driving smoothly all work together to reduce unnecessary stress. Treat the suspension like the precision system it is, and it'll continue delivering that signature Lexus ride for years longer than most people expect. Because in the end, making a Lexus suspension last forever isn't about luck. It's about making the right decisions every time you get behind the wheel. So what's the highest mileage you've ever seen on a Lexus with its original suspension? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Check out the video called 7 Tips to Why 200K Lexus SUVs Keep Running, or check out another recommended video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.